पीएच एंड पीओएच डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ये जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है पीएच, दिस इज हेल्पफुल टू इंडिकेट द नेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। Solution is either acidic or basic or neutral. Depends which ions are present in more strength. We know that H positive is the indication for acid, OH negative is the indication for base. So if H positive ions are more, it is acid. If OH negative ions are more, it is basic. And if the strength of H positive and OH negatives are equal, then it is neutral in nature. So this parameter is very well explained by scientist Sorensen in 1909. Sorensen in 1909 defined the pH scale. उन्होंने pH scale define की. According to Sorensen, at 298 Kelvin, this pH scale has range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This pH scale has a range from 0 to 14. This is pH scale. And according to Sorensen, this 7 is the pH for neutral solution at 298 Kelvin. Why? Because here H positive and concentration and OH negative concentration is equal. Before 7, here the solution is acidic in nature. Why solution is acidic? Because H positive and concentration is greater than OH negative concentration. And after neutral, here onward, solution is basic. Why basic? Because H positive and concentration is less than OH negative ion concentration. और इसलिए the nature is basic. But this is at 298 Kelvin. And one thing must be clear, जितनी pH की वैल्यू कम उतना उसका एसिडिक नेचर ज्यादा, उतना उसका एसिडिक नेचर ज्यादा, एंड जितनी pH की वैल्यू ज्यादा उतना उसका बेसिक नेचर ज्यादा. This is the pH scale derived by Sorensen. How to write short note on pH scale? Answer. pH scale is derived by Sorensen in 1909. This scale is useful to determine the nature of solution, whether acidic, basic or neutral. This scale is derived at 298 Kelvin, which has a range from 0 to 14. And if the solution has pH 7, it is neutral because the concentration of H positive and OH negative ions are equal. If the pH is less than 7, the solution is acidic because concentration of H positive and concentration is greater than concentration of OH negative. And if the pH is greater than 7, then the solution is basic. Why? The pH is greater than 7 means concentration of OH negative ion is greater than concentration of H positive ions. Therefore, it is basic in nature. This is a pH scale. Write a short note. Sorensen 109 290 एलिमेंट में डिराइव की 0 to 14 है, 7 के न्यूट्रल क्यों, 7 से कम एसिडिक क्यों, 7 से ज्यादा बेसिक क्यों, ये सब एक्सप्लेनेशन देकर ये स्केल आपको ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द आंसर फॉर pH scale. This is pH scale. Then we are seeing that pH is less than 7, pH is greater than 7. What is pH? What is POH? The real meaning of pH is potency of hydrogen ion concentration. It is not power. It is not power. It is potency of H positive ion. The capacity to have H positive ion is pH. How it is calculated is its definition. Negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration is called as pH. And see, this H positive ion concentration must be in moles per dm. This is pH. Same is the definition of pH. pH. This is negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration. And this hydroxyl ion concentration must be in moles per dm cube. Moles per dm cube. So, note on pH and pOH. No need to write that it is a potency of H positive ion. I explained its meaning just for your sake of understanding. But in reality, to write the answer for note on pH and pOH is that pH and pOH are used to determine the nature of solution, whether acidic, basic, or neutral. If the pH is equal to 7 at 298 Kelvin, that is important, then the solution is acidic, neutral, not acidic, neutral. If the pH is less than 7, then the solution is acidic, and if the pH is more than 7, the solution is basic. This pH can be defined as, you have to write the statement. defined as, actually the definition is nothing but reading the mathematical expression. What is pH? The negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration in moles per dm cube is called as pH. It is written as pH is equal to this one. Then what is pH? Negative logarithm to the base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration in moles per dm cube. In moles per dm cube, it's called as pOH. Formula: pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 hydroxyl ion concentration. This is nothing but the note on pH and pOH. Let's continue further. Actually, we studied ionic product of water, and you know the value of ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin. You know very well. The value of ionic product of water at 298 Kelvin. You know the value. That value is useful to derive the relation between pH and pOH. Let's start to discuss the relation between pH and pOH. The relation between pH and pOH, according to definition of ionic product of water, we know that Kw is product of H positive ion concentration and OH negative ion concentration. Also, at 298 Kelvin, the value is fixed. Kw is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14. So if I substitute this value in the expression, then at 298 Kelvin, 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14, that is equal to H positive ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration. That is at 298 Kelvin. Let's take log to both sides. If we took log to the both sides, it will be log. Definitely the base is 10. We are taking 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 14. That is log to the base 10 concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative. Let's solve this. This is log A multiplied by B. So it's a log A into B. The answer is log A plus log B. So it will be log 1.0 plus log 10 to the power minus 14. And that is equal to, this is log A into B. So it will be log to the base 10 H positive plus log to the base 10 OH negative. We continue this expression at 298 Kelvin. Again and again I am saying at 298 Kelvin, that means if there is change in the temperature, guaranteed the value of ionic product of water will also get changed. So this is log 1.0 and log 1 value is 0. So this one is 0. Log to the base 10, 10 to the power minus 14. So this will be just as it is, minus 14. Log 10 of 10 is 1, but let me write here. That is equal to log to the base 10 h positive plus log to the base 10 OH negative. Let's solve again. 0 plus this one is minus, so this is minus 14. The value of log to the base 10 of 10 is 1. So 1 into minus 14 is minus 14. What do you write there? This is equal to log to the base 10 h positive plus log to the base 10 OH negative. Let's multiply the entire equation by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. What we will get? 14 is equal to minus log to the base 10 h positive minus log to the base 10 OH negative. But we know minus log to the base 10 h positive is pH and minus log to the base 10 OH negative is pOH. And therefore, if I consider this equation 1, 2 and 3, then from equation 2 and 3, if I substitute this value here and this value here, it will be 14 is equal to pH plus pOH. That means pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin. This is the relation between pH and pOH.